Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dent token. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that Dent token formed this up channel after the breakout from this quite long-term down channel on the daily time frame chart. You can see that we had a nice short rally and the price end was forming higher highs and higher lows while moving inside this channel. You can see that we got rejection here, rejection, bounce, rejection, and finally we broke down the support of this channel. And the technical target for this breakdown that I was telling you was here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at $0.0009. And you can see that the price then dropped down here at this support of $0.001. This is a very firm support there for the price and went very close to hit the target to the downside, but bounced very well, again rejected by this next resistance. In fact, for a while we broke it out that is here at $0.0015. But again, price and it's dropped down, and now for the past 2 days, it is struggling to break out this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout, and I've been telling you that once Dan token will be able to break out, then we can expect a very massive rally. And so far, from this though to here, Dan token has rallied more than 377%, but still a very huge move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will also discuss that target as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for weeks, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 31st of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target sign. Now, let's move to the live chart of Dent token. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it has been moving inside this up channel. And now we have broken down the support. And after the breakdown, we had a drop up to $0.0001. And over there, we have a quite firm support out of it that was recently breaking at the resistance here, and resistance here, and resistance here for several weeks a month. For the past several weeks a month, it has been breaking at the resistance. And now after the breakout, it's flipped into a nice support. Now, recently, we have a very nice bounce. And now the price and is moving between these two major support and resistance levels. The support is here at $0.0001, and the resistance is here at $0.0015. That is also a quite long-term support resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.0015 has been previously breaking at a very strong resistance here and support here and resistance here. Therefore, again, it is breaking at a very strong resistance for the price line of Dan token. By the way, the technical target for the breakdown for this channel is here at the bottom of the channel at $0.0001, slightly lower than this support. But so far, the price line could not break it down, and it will be really very difficult for the price line to break it down. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this recent down channel, you can see that we have already broken out this down channel, and the target is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $0.0027. But in my opinion, if the price and reaches there, then we can also hit this long-term resistance of $0.003 as well. That is a quite long-term resistance. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that this $0.003, this resistance, has been previously working as a very strong support here, and therefore again it can break as a resistance. Now, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that on this 7 days time frame chart we have broken out this wedge, and that target is here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between 2.3 cents to 2.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.